Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Lincoln Veterans Memorial Park sits directly across from the Colorado State Capitol, and its placement is intentional. This is not a park designed for recreation or leisure. It functions as a civic space meant to frame memory, service, and consequence alongside the machinery of state government. The park was established to recognize Colorado's military veterans and to create a permanent place of reflection within the city's political core. Its proximity to the Capitol matters. Decisions made inside the building have historically sent people into conflict, and this space exists as a visual counterbalance to that authority. The layout is formal and restrained. Walkways are deliberate. Memorial elements are placed with spacing that encourages pause rather than movement. There is no attempt to overwhelm with symbolism. Instead, the park relies on simplicity and structure to carry its meaning. Individual memorials within the park commemorate service across different conflicts and eras. Rather than focusing on victory or heroism, the emphasis is on recognition and cost. Names, dates, and units are presented without commentary, allowing the facts to stand on their own. Unlike more decorative parks in Denver, Lincoln Veterans Memorial Park avoids visual noise. There are no playgrounds, no commercial features, and no attempt to soften the purpose of the space. It is quiet by design, even though it sits beside busy streets and major civic buildings. The contrast between this park and the surrounding environment is significant. Just steps away, traffic moves constantly, government offices operate on schedule, and the city functions at full pace. Inside the park, that momentum slows. The separation is subtle but effective. Maintenance here is consistent and visible. Lawns are kept clean, pathways are clear, memorial structures are intact and orderly. That care reflects the value placed on the space. Unlike neglected areas elsewhere in the city, this park signals attention and responsibility. The park also functions as a gathering point during commemorative events. On specific days, it becomes active with ceremonies and formal observances. Outside those moments, it returns to stillness. The space adapts without losing its purpose. What makes Lincoln Veteran Memorial Park important is not scale or design complexity. It is important because of placement. It exists where political authority and public memory intersect. The park ensures that remembrance is not separate from governance. Walking through this space after moving through other parts of Denver, the difference is immediate. Order replaces disorder. Quiet replaces noise. Care replaces neglect. Lincoln Veterans Memorial Park is not meant to be impressive. It is meant to be present, a reminder placed deliberately that service and sacrifice are part of the city's foundation and remain visible at its center.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.